Legends of Learning presents the Drone Delivery Game. This is a math game that makes learning about linear relationships fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, deliver goods with the help of drones by finding the best path to travel using linear relationships. Anthony has recently opened a courier service. Help him deliver all the orders correctly. Your goal is to find the correct path to fly using linear relationships. Use the number pad to insert the correct answers as per the instructions. You will use the mouse to click on the correct grid on the map that is represented by the given coordinates. You must complete all the levels in order to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.